Planet Earth? You're like 4.5 billion years old, right?
4.5. 5 if I'm feeling generous. Why? You checking my ID?
Honestly?
Yeah.
Because if you've been around that long, you've seen some stuff.
Oh, buddy. From being born out of a dead star, to dinosaurs running the place, to you guys arguing on the internet. It's been a journey.
Wait, rewind. You said dead star?
Yep. Before I existed, my ingredients were just floating around space. Iron, carbon, silicon, all cooked inside massive stars. Then those stars died. Boom day, supernova. They exploded, scattered everything everywhere. Cosmic mess.
So you're literally made of stardust.
I prefer the term recycled excellence. Those leftovers mixed with hydrogen formed a giant cloud, the solar nebula. Gravity pulled it in. Most of it became the sun. The scraps started spinning around it. That spinning mess slowly clumped together. And one of those clumps was me.
Okay, newborn Earth. Cute?
Absolutely not. I was basically hell with a surface temperature, 1200 degrees Celsius. You wouldn't survive 5 seconds. Then something wild happened. A Mars-sized object smashed into me, hard. Pieces flew into space and eventually formed the moon.
So the moon is from you?
Yeah, I lost a chunk and gained emotional stability. Fair trade.
Wow. Okay, I can't believe this. But you were still getting hit non-stop, right?
Oh yeah, for hundreds of millions of years. Scientists call it the late heavy bombardment. Sounds aggressive, because it was. But here's the twist. Some of those meteors carried water.
So every meteor punched you and apologized with hydration?
Exactly. Tiny amounts at first. But after millions of years, oceans. So yes, the water you drink today, billions of years old.
That water's seen things.
Ooh.
Things older than mountains.
Around 3.8 billion years ago, something happened. My first living breath. Relax. Bacteria. Tiny. Invisible. Living deep in oceans near volcanic vents. No oxygen. Just vibes and chemistry. They survived on heat and chemicals.
Narrow weed for word for your thing. So life started in conditions we'd call absolutely unlivable.
Then some bacteria got ambitious. They started photosynthesis. Released oxygen. At first, oxygen was toxic. Mass extinction.
So oxygen was the villain arc.
Exactly. But eventually, life adapted. More oxygen times more complex life. Cells got fancy. Then, boom! The Cambrian explosion, 541 million years ago. Life went wild. New shapes. New creatures. It was like nature hit randomize. Later, plants came onto land. Fish followed. First creature crawled out of the ocean and breathed air for the first time. Iconic moment.
And then the big guys.
Dinosaurs started small, got scared, ruled for 165 million years. That's over 1,000 times longer than humans so far.
So they were the main characters.
Absolutely. Until 66 million years ago. Asteroid. Mexico area. Impact. Fire, smoke, darkness. Most dinosaurs, gone. But every ending opened space. Mammals stepped up.
And humans?
Humans, very late entry. About 300,000 years ago. Walked upright. Used tools. Thought fast. What made you dangerous wasn't strength. It was shared knowledge. You learned and passed it on. Around 10,000 years ago, you settled. Farming, cities, writing, civilization. You flipped the table fast.
But earlier, you said you might die.
Not naturally. I aged because of you. It started with the Industrial Revolution. Coal, oil, engines, deforestation, pollution. You entered the Anthropocene. Not because you're great, but because your impact beats volcanoes now.
So, Are we too late?
No. But the clock's loud. Slow consumption. Ditch fossil fuels. Chill with the greed. If you do, I recur. If you don't, I don't explode. I fade. Quietly.
So, no pressure.
None. Just the entire planet. Also, since you're already here, like the video, share it, comment something nice. I've been around 4.5 billion years, but engagement still makes my day.